Yeah, buddy. Oh boy, look at what we got here. This side, you got the Old Bay wings, the Old Bay cauliflower wings. On this side, we got pineapple Thai chili. Yeah, I said it. You heard me. Pineapple Thai chili basil wings, cauliflower wings. Look at that. Just look at that. Whoa. Let's dig in. Let's see what we got. Y'all hear that crunch? Hold on. Oh. Delicious. Let me try one of these basil, pineapple chili Thai basil wings. Pineapple chili Thai basil wings. Let me try one of these. They look delicious. Okay. First time making these. Listen. And this is an alcoholic beverage. Don't worry about what kind of alcoholic beverage it is. Okay? Don't worry about that. Just know it's something good in my cup. But these pineapple Thai basil chili wings, everything I thought they was gonna do. First of all, I made pineapple chili today. Not mango habanero chili, none of that sweet chili. I made pineapple chili, okay? So these are pineapple chili cauliflower wings and Thai basil. I had no idea that basil and pineapple went together so damn well. Let me get some of this. Let me get one with a little pineapple on it. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. I ain't playing with y'all. I ain't playing. Come see me. We can put whatever on it. But I'm gonna fry some cauliflower wings. Y'all don't know. These is it. That's it. But I appreciate y'all for coming to eat with us today. I'm just attacking. I'm gonna attack this. But I appreciate y'all for coming out, checking out my recipe today. Hopefully you guys make it for yourself, because I'm gonna tell you right now, before anybody else do it, pineapple chili, first of all, is excellent. But pineapple chili Thai basil cauliflower wings, you heard it here first at Kitchen La Live. And I would suggest you get with me. Menu going up soon, y'all.